Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make fresh cream donuts using an easy method. First, let's get our dough started. Begin by activating 1 packet of active dry yeast in about 1/2 cup of warm milk with a pinch of sugar. Let it sit for 5 minutes until foamy. Then, combine this with 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 large eggs, and 1/4 cup of melted butter. Knead for 8 minutes until smooth, then let it rise for 1 hour. Now that our dough has risen beautifully, it's time to shape and fry our delicious donuts. Gently roll out the dough to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a 3-inch round cutter to create your donut shapes. Place these on parchment paper and let them proof for another 30 minutes. This makes them extra light. Heat your oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and fry each donut for about 1 minute per side until they are a lovely golden brown. The heart of our fresh cream donuts is, of course, the cream. For the best results, make sure your heavy cream, mixing bowl, and whisk attachment are all thoroughly chilled. Pour 2 cups of very cold heavy cream into your chilled bowl. Begin whipping on medium-high speed until you see soft peaks forming. Then, gradually add 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, continuing to whip until you achieve beautiful, stiff peaks. We're almost there. Once your fried donuts have completely cooled, it's time for the best part, filling them with that luscious fresh cream. Take a sharp knife and make a small incision on the side of each donut. Then, using a piping bag fitted with a plain tip, gently pipe the whipped cream into each donut until it feels wonderfully full. For that classic, irresistible look, dust your finished fresh cream donuts generously with powdered sugar. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.